Anda menyaksikan paruh akhir dari Kompas Petang, Saudara. Penyanyi asal Indonesia kembali memukau penonton saat tampil di babak final America's Got Talent 2023. Kali ini Putri membawakan lagu Don't Let the Sun Go Down on Me yang dipopulerkan oleh Elton John.
No more of your darkness. All my pictures seem to fade to black and white.
Suara merdu dan permainan piano Putri Aryani berhasil membuat kagum penonton America's Got Talent 2023 pada babak final.
Close the door and left me blind.
Lagu Don't Let the Sun Go Down on Me yang dipopulerkan Elton John berhasil dibawakan Putri dengan baik hingga menerima sejumlah pujian dari juri America's Got Talent. Penampilan Putri Aryani kembali memukau Simon Cowell sebagai orang yang memberikan tiket Golden Buzzer kepada Putri. Simon menilai kemampuan bernyanyi Putri memang layak mendapat Golden Buzzer. Hasil voting babak final America's Got Talent akan diumumkan pada Kamis 28 September 2023 waktu Indonesia Barat, di mana Putri bersaing dengan 10 finalis America's Got Talent lainnya.
I gave it the golden buzzer. I think any one of us would have given Putri the golden buzzer. It's just that you are one of those rare little diamonds we come across every few years who is naturally born to do this. And you've overcome so much in your life to hopefully fulfill your dream on this show. And boy, after that, do you deserve it.
Kompas Petang kami tutup sampai di sini. Pastikan Anda terus mengupdate informasi terkini seputar pemilu 2024 hanya di Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya. Saya Niluh Puspa.
Dan saya Rahmat Ibrahim. Terima kasih. Sampai jumpa.
No more of your darkness. All my pictures seem to fade to black and white. I'm growing tired and time stands still before me. Close the door and left me blinded by the light. Don't let the sun go down on me again. Although I search myself, it's always someone else I see. I just